In this video, we'll show you how to activate dark mode on Windows 11. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Dark mode is a feature that darkens the overall look of your computer, making it easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. To get started, we'll need to access the settings. A quick way to do this is by right-clicking on any empty area of your desktop and selecting Personalize. Next, scroll down until you see the Colors option and click on it. Now, look for the section at the top that says Choose Your Mode. You can either select Dark for a full dark mode or Custom if you want a mix of light and dark themes. For this demonstration, I'll choose Dark. After clicking it, give it a few seconds and your display will switch to dark mode. It's as easy as that. Of course, you can always come back here and change the setting anytime you want. If you found this guide useful and want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe. I look forward to assisting you again in the future.